This is the ultimate creamy garlic sauce. It's super easy to make and it makes your chicken or pasta dishes taste epic. Hey, I'm Laura, and on my channel I share lots of my family's favorite recipes like this one. So if that's your jam, hit that red subscribe button so you and I can cook together a few times a week. This would not be a garlic sauce without garlic, right? So I'm just removing the skin from my garlic clove so I can finally mince it. You can use a knife to mince it, or if you're like me and hate chopping, you can just grate it. To make the sauce, I'm using a large pan with sides, and I want to heat it up first. Once it's hot, that's when I'm going to melt my butter in my pan. And as soon as your butter is melted, you don't want to brown it, you're going to add the garlic. You want to toast it for about 30 seconds or so. And once you start to smell the fragrant, we're gonna add our seasoning. When I'm using dried seasonings, I like to add them to the pan and toast them so they soften up and they have a lot more flavor. Now I'm gonna add my chicken broth or stock into my pan. I'm adding the half and half warmed. I just microwaved it for about a minute, and I'm gonna add it into the liquid to create that creamy sauce. And the reason I warm it up is so it doesn't curdle. By the way, if tips like that one are helpful when you're cooking, give this video a thumbs up so I know to always add them for you. I'm gonna bring this to a simmer and let this sauce cook for about 5 minutes. And then at the very end, to thicken it even further, I'm gonna make a quick slurry. So now this sauce has been simmering for about 5 minutes and thickened it a little bit, I'm going to add that slurry into my pan. And now we let this simmer for another 5 minutes so that the cornstarch can really thicken up our sauce. That's it, guys. This sauce is ready. It's thick, smells garlicky, creamy, and it's perfect to combine it with some pasta or serve it with your favorite chicken breast. And I'll add the ingredient measurements for you right below this video, as well as other great recipes to use it with. See you next time.